go through this definition. There are several structures in English that we call conditionals or if conditionals, right? The word condition means situation or circumstance. If a particular condition is true, then a particular result happens. If the condition is true, the result happens, right? So there are some examples. The structure can produce, for example, the following sentences. Like I ask you to do first. If I see her, I will tell her. Then if you change it, I will tell her if I see her. So where do you put commas? In which sentence you want to put comma? Or in which sentence that you don't want to put a comma? Tell me. Now go through. Notice the comma in the first sentence. So there is a comma in the first sentence. A comma is always correct in the case. In this case, I mean, in the first sentence. But not always essential if the sentence is short. In the first sentence, you want to put a comma. And when you move to the second sentence, it means when you take the result first and the if clause or the condition after that, you should not use a comma. Second type ekedi comma ekak onne. In the second sentence, we do not normally use a comma. Now go through the first condition. So how many conditions are there? Children, tell me. How many types of conditions do you have? Conditional form types කීයක් තියෙනවද මම ඔයාලට කතා කරන්න?
Two.
Yes, we have two, but I am going to discuss under 3. මම conditional තුනම ගැන කතා කරනවා. I am going to discuss under 3 of the conditional forms. So go through the first conditional for real possibility. So there is a possibility to happen. If I win the lottery, what is a lottery?
Lottery.
Yeah. If I win the lottery, I will buy a car. So there is a possibility to win a lottery. මේකක් ඇදෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. There is a possibility. Or probably then if I win the lottery, I will buy a car. So it means there is a possibility to buy a car. ඒ කියන්නේ car එකක් ගන්නත් ඉඩ තියෙනවා. මේකක් ඇදෙන්නත් ඉඩ තියෙනවා. There is a possibility. So in these types of conditionals, we use the first type. If I win the lottery, I will buy a car. Right, now go through this chart. So if condition, so that is present simple. And so this is the result. And with the result, it comes will plus base verb. For example, if condition, when we take this example, if it rains, I will stay at home. Normally you say, when you go to school, right? If it rains, present simple. Rains means present simple. And the result is, I will stay at home. If it rains, I will stay at home. So this is coming under the first category when we discuss about if clauses. So you have to give me some examples related to the first step. Read more. Now tell me some more examples related to the first step of the conditional forms. I will give you one example more. If I work hard, I will pass the exam. මහන්සි වෙලා වැඩ කළොත් අනිවාර්යෙන් exam එක pass වෙනවා. If I work hard, I will pass the exam. Right? Some more examples, right? There is another example that I am giving you. If I eat a lot, I will be fat. So these are the conditionals coming under first step. And let's move to the second. Second conditional. So in which situations do we use the second conditional? So it is said for unreal possibility. There is a probability to happen this. Sometimes this will happen, sometimes this will not happen. There is a possibility. If I won the lottery, I am giving the same example relating to this second conditional because you can see the difference, the change. If I won the lottery, I would buy a car. ඇදුනොත් ගන්නව car එක. කොට ඇදෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, car එක නොගන්න ඉන්නත් පුළුවන්. Right? The second conditional is like the first conditional. We are still thinking about the future. We are thinking, if this happens, I will do this. So we are thinking about the future. We are thinking about the particular condition in the future. And the result of this condition. But there is not a real possibility that this condition will happen. So there is not a possibility. ඉඩක් නැති වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. නොවෙන්නත් පුළුවන් ඒ කියන්නේ. For example, you do not have a lottery. Right? If you don't have a lottery, you will not get this, like that. Now follow this chart. Regarding the second structure, the second step of conditional forms. So this is if condition and the result. Firstly we use if and the verb is past simple. The verb is past simple and the result is would plus base verb. Now tell me this sentence. කියන්න මට මේ sentence එක.
If I won the lottery, I would buy a car.
Yes, if I won the lottery, I would buy a car. Then what is the past simple verb?
What?
Yeah, won. And what is the condition? Condition එක මොකද්ද? If I won the lottery. If I won the lottery is the condition. And then what is the result?
I would buy a car.
Yes, I would buy a car. That is the result. That is how I respond. That is how I react. මම lottery එක ඇදුනොත් ප්‍රතිචාර දක්වන විදිහ. That is how I react. Now one can tell me one example. මේකට relate වෙන්න මට කවුරු හරි එක්කෙනෙක් එක example එකක් කියන්න. Step 2 එකට. One can tell me one example. Kushini, can you give me an example?
If I had a car, I would go around the country.
Yes, very good. If I had a car, I would go around the country. If I worked hard, I would pass the exam. එකක් මං කියනවා. තව එකක් කියනවා. I will tell another example. If I passed the exam, if I passed the exam, I would go abroad. Here there is a possibility. Exam pass වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, abroad යන එක possibility එකක් තියෙනවා. Right? Like that. Let's move to the third condition. For no possibility, everything is negative. If I had won the lottery, I would have bought a car. තිබුණා නම් මෙහෙම වෙනවා. වෙන්න තිබුණා. So this is like a dream. Now see the definition. This will never happen mostly. Right? එක ගොඩක් වෙලාවට වෙන්නෙම නැති දෙයක්. The first conditional and the second conditionals talk about the future. මම අර මුලින් කියපු steps දෙකම first and second future එක ගැන කතා කරන්නේ. So both the conditionals related to the first step and the second steps are related to the future. And with the third conditional, we talk about the past. So here in this conditional, we talk about the past. We talk about the condition in the past that did not happen. They didn't happen. වෙලා නැහැ. That is why there is no possibility for this condition. So there is no possibility to happen. The third conditional is also like a dream. අර හීන දකින්නේ. You see dream sometimes නේද? ඒ වගේ ඒවා තමයි මේ third විදිහට අපි කතා කරන්නේ. In the third category. But with if condition, past perfect, and the result is would have with past participle. So this is the structure. under the third conditional. මම අර මුලින් කියපු third conditional එකේ structure එක තමයි මේක. If condition and then the result. So with if condition we use past perfect. The past perfect is had one. Had one කියන එක තමයි past perfect. And the result is would have plus past participle. So would have plus past participle means I would have bought. This is the structure. So if condition is if I had won the lottery. If I had won the lottery is the condition here. And the result is result එක තමයි I would have bought a car. I would have bought a car. So this is the result. And I am giving you one example regarding the third category. If I had worked hard, I would have passed the exam. මම මහන්සි වෙලා වැඩ කරලා තිබුණා නම් I would have passed the exam. මට exam එක pass වෙන්න තිබුණා. දැන් මෙතන මහන්සි වෙලා වැඩ කරලාද?
නෑ.
මහන්සි වෙලා වැඩ කරලාද?
නෑ.
No.
මහන්සි වෙලා වැඩ කරලත් නෑ. විභාගේ පාස් වෙලා
නෑ.
නෑ. දෙකම වෙලා නෑ. Both haven't happened. Both are not occurred. So these two are like dreams, right? Zero conditional. There is not a condition for certainty. These are regarded to the scientific facts. අපි විද්‍යාත්මක දේවල් කතා කරන්නේ සමහරවිට අයිස් දිය කළාම අයිස් රත් කළාම අනිවාර්යෙන් දිය වෙනවනේ. ඒක කාටවත් දිය වෙන්නේ නැහැ කියන්න බෑනේ. This happens accurate. This is accuracy. This happens accurately. අනිවාර්යෙන් වෙනවා. මේ වගේ scientific දේවල් කතා කරනකොටත් අපි මේ විදිහට use කරනවා. If you heat ice, it melts. ඒ වගේ දේවල්. This happens. මේක වෙන්නේ නැහැ කියන්න බෑ. මේක අනිවාර්යෙන් වෙනවා. This happens. This is a real possibility. අනිවාර්යෙන් සිද්ධ වෙන දෙයක්. A real possibility. So regarding this, we say we use the so-called zero conditional when the result of the condition is always true. The result is always true. The result is what? Make a mokada result එක?
It melts.
Yes, it melts. It melts. Melts is the result. Like a scientific fact. Now go through this chart. Conditional type 1. The conditions that I have discussed with you so far. දැන් මම මෙතෙක් වෙලා discuss කරපු වගේ මේ summary එක. Summarizing. This is the summary of the chart. Conditional type, this is one. First type that I discussed with you before. Usage, possible condition, the condition is possible. හැම වෙලේම සිද්ධ වෙන දෙයක් මේ. පළවෙනි type එකෙන් අපි කතා කළේ. The category that we discussed under the first step under if conditionals is always true. That is possible. අනිවාර්යෙන් වෙනවා. Probable result. It means සම්භාවිතාවයක් තියෙනවා. It happens. අනිවාර්යෙන් වෙනවා කියලා. In the first step, right? If clause, එතකොට if clause is in past simple. මම අර කිව්වානේ. පළවෙනියටම will දාලානේ කිව්වේ. එතකොට ඒක present simple එකෙන් තමයි අපි use කරන්නේ. If clause is present simple. Main clause will plus base verb. Will plus base verb. Example එකක් මම කිව්වා. If I work hard, I will pass the exam. So condition type එක number 1 වල hear me children?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now we were discussing the possible things, right? So if I work hard, I will pass the exam. So that is under the first step. And when we move to the second step, hypothetical condition, possible result. It is related to past simple. If I won a lottery, I would buy a car. එහෙම නැත්නම් I would build a big house. එතකොට ඒක would plus base verb. would එකත් එක්ක base verb එක එන එකක් ඒ. තව එකක් කියන්නම්. If I worked hard, I would pass the exam. If you did this, it will happen. මේක වෙන්නේ මේ දේ කළොත්. 50-50% is there to happen, right? And type 3, expired past. Expired past. Condition plus possible past result. And past perfect. Would have past participle. If I had bought a car, I would have gone on a trip. මට කාර් එකක් තිබුණා නම් මම යනවා trip එක. So here they don't have a car and they couldn't go on a trip. කාර් එකක් තිබිලත් නැහැ, trip එකක් යන්නත් බැරි වෙලා. Both are negative. Real condition. Inevitable result. Present simple. If we heat ice, the result is present simple. It dissolves. අපි ice රත් කරාම ඒක දිය වෙනවා. We heat ice, it dissolves. Dissolve කියන්නේ දිය වෙනවා. So this is the summary of conditionals, right? Now go through the summary of conditionals that I discussed with you now. Here is a table to help you to visualize the basic conditionals. So the possibility is here. දැන් මම අර ඉස්සෙල්ලා discuss කරපු conditional types වල වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙන possibility එක දීලා තියෙනවා. Do not take the 50%. and 10% too literally. They are just to help you, right? මේ වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙන ප්‍රමාණය තමයි මේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Probability conditional. Example, and this is the time. Anytime this happens. Scientific concept, මුලින්ම කතා කරේ scientific concept එක. That is 100%. ඒක අනිවාර්යෙන් 100%ක් වෙනවා. 100%. Conditional එකක් නෑ ඒ කියන්නේ. කොන්දේසියක් නෑ. අනිවාර්යෙන් වෙනවා. Definitely it happens. Example. මම example එකක් කියනවා ඒ වගේ එකකට. මුලින් කිව්වනේ අපි if you heat ice it melts. Melts කියන්නේත් දිය වෙනවා. Dissolves කියන්නේත් දිය වෙනවා. Right? Anytime it happens. කොයි වෙලේ හරි ice දිය කරාම වතුර වෙන්නේ නැතුව දිය වෙන්නේ නැති වෙලාවක් තියෙනවද? ළමයි.
නෑ.
ඕ එතකොට ඒක 100% අනිවාර්යෙන් වෙනවා. කන්ඩිෂන් එකක් නැහැ. කොන්දේසියක් නැහැ. අනිවාර්යෙන් වෙනවා. Without a condition it happens. Because it is a scientific concept. Scientifically ඒක prove කරලා තියෙන වෙනවා කියලා. එතකොට අපිට ඒක condition එකක් දාන්න බෑ. ඒ වගේ දේවල් අපි මෙහෙම use කරනවා. if එක present tense දාලා present tense එකෙන් තමයි අපි කියන්නේ. Right? So 50%. There is a probability. There is a first එක. අපි මුලින් කියවනේ first type conditional forms වල. If I win the lottery, I will buy a car. මට ලොටරි එකක් ඇදෙනවා නම් මම කාර් එකක් ගන්නවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් if I win the lottery, I will build a big house. ලොකු ගයක් හදනවා එහෙම නැත්නම්. So this is related to future. The time period is related to the future. So they are talking about the future actions. So there is a possibility to happen 50%. 50%ක් වෙන්නත් ඉඩ තියෙනවා. 50%ක් නොවෙන්නත් ඉඩ තියෙනවා. So and there is a possibility of happening this incident 50%, right? So if we move to the third, but that is we are discussing under the second step under the conditional forms. Conditional forms වල second step එක තමයි මේක. If I won the lottery, I would buy a car. 10% තමයි වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙන්නේ. ලොටරි එකක් ඇදුනොත් I would buy a car. මම කාර් එකක් ගනි. ඉස්සරහට ගනි. In future, this is also related to the future. The time period is future. Zero possibility. So this is the third condition that I discussed with you before. Negative. This is like a dream. හීනයක්. වෙන්න බෑ. If I had won the lottery. අපි දැන් මේ විදිහට කියනවනේ. අපිට කවදාක්වත් කරගන්න බැරි වෙච්ච දෙයක් ගැන අපි කතා කරනකොට මෙන්න මේ third type එකෙන් තමයි අපි කතා කරන්නේ. We couldn't achieve. ගන්නනකොට පිස්සු නටනට ඉන්න අයට කවදා හරි මේක කියන්න වෙනවා. third type එකේ. ඒ නිසා මේ type එක ඉගෙන ගන්න එහෙමයි. අර 100% එක ඉගෙන ගන්න හොඳට වැඩ කරන කට්ටිය. right? If I had won the lottery, I would have bought a car. If I had won, this is related to the past perfect. Lottery එකක් ඇදිලා තිබුණා නම් I would have bought a car. මට කාර් එකක් ගන්න තිබුණා. එතකොට lottery එකක් ඇදිලත් නැහැ, කාර් එකක් අරගෙනත් නැහැ. So this is related to the past. They are talking about the past. ඉස්සර දේවල් ගැනම කතා කර මොකුත් කරන්නේ නැති ඉන්න අය තමයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේක කරන්නේ. මේ විදිහට කියන්න වෙන්නේ. Right? Now I will give you some activities to do. So you have to talk. දැන් නම් කතා කරන්න වෙනවා. මේක activity එකක්. So you have to talk when I'm discussing the questions with you, right? So now go through the first question. Complete these sentences. Use the first conditional. So when you want to fill in the blanks related to this, you have to use the first type. අර මම මුලින්ම කියපු type එක තියෙන්නේ first type. ඒකෙන් තමයි මේ blanks ටික fill කරන්න ඕනේ. Now you have to respond me. දැන් මට උත්තර කියන්න ඕනේ. Question number 1. If I blank within brackets go back to the shop on Saturday, I blank within brackets take the printer with me. What is the answer for the first? If
Go
I
back.
Yes, very good. If I go back to the shop on Saturday, I
Will take.
Yes, very good. I will take the printer with me. If I go back to the shop on Saturday, I will take the printer with me. Now, second. What is the answer for the second?
I will not go.
Not go. Yes, very good. I will not go to the party if you
Not come.
blank come.
Not.
If you not come, Kinod, where is the verb?
If you don't come.
Yes, very good. If you do not come, don't come. I will not go to the party if you do not come. Number 3. If everyone blank within brackets finish more quickly. If everyone
Help.
Everyone
Will
is the singular, so you have to put an S at the end of the verb.
Helps.
If everyone helps, yes. If everyone helps, we
Will
finish more quickly. We will finish more quickly. Very good. Number 4. If the phone blank ring, I blank within brackets not answer it. If the phone ඔයාලා කැමති නැති කෙනෙක් කතා කරනකොට ඔයාලා ඔහොම කියනවා. The phone
Will ring.
දැන් මම කිව්වේ මෙච්චර
Ring.
වෙලා
Ring.
ring. Yes.
ring.
If the phone rings, I
Don't answer it.
Will not
will not answer. If the phone rings, I will not answer it.
Will
Number
ring.
5.
Will.
Question number 5.
as you will pay
Within brackets, you pay for the coffee if I blank within brackets buy the cakes. This is a question.
will you
Will you pay? Very good. Will you pay for the coffee? ඔයා coffee එකට ගෙවනවද? If I
Bye.
Yes, if I buy the cakes, මං cake ටික ගන්නවා නම් ඔයා coffee එකට ගෙවනවද කියලා අහන්න. If I buy the cakes. Number 6. Pete.
pay
Blank. Come.
It will come.
Pete
Come to the cinema.
comes to the cinema.
He will come.
If he can choose the film. එහෙම නැත්නම් is able. Pete comes to the cinema if he can choose the film. Number 7. Number 7. Blank, if we blank within brackets not hurry, we blank within brackets miss the first part of the film.
Do not hurry.
If we are not hurry, අපි ඉක්මන් කළේ නැත්නම් they
Will not believe us.
yes, very good. They will not believe us. They will not believe us. The second activity. Complete these sentences with the second conditional. Second conditional එකෙන් තමයි මේ ටික fill කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. If the weather blank be better, we blank go to the beach, but today it's very cloudy. If the weather be verb එකක් එන්න ඕන මෙතෙන්ට. Past tense.
Tails.
Was. If the weather was better, we
Was.
මං කිව්වේ මොකක්ද second type එකට would කියලා දාලා verb එක දාන්න ඕන. We
Would go.
would go to the beach, but today it's very cloudy. Number 2. Harry
Would go.
Number 2. Harry come if you blank ask him.
Harry would come.
Yes, very good. Harry would come if you
Go. Came. Are.
if you asked him. Harry would come if you asked him. ඔයා එන්න කිව්වා නම් Harry එන්න තිබුණා. Right? Number 3. If it snow in summer, we ski in August. කොහොමද දෙන්නේ? If it
Asked.
snowed in summer, we
Not.
Would.
Would.
ski. We would ski in August. Number 4. If I have money, I travel more. කියලා තියෙනවා. If I
Sky.
Would have.
past tense. If I had,
Had.
have කියන past tense. Had money, I
Would travel.
travel
would.
more. සල්ලි තිබුණා නම් මම හොඳට ඇවිදිනවා. මට ඇවිදින්න තිබ්බා හොඳට. කියලා කියනවා. I would travel more. Bella, be happier if Bella
Was. Would be.
yes, very good, would be happier if she have කියන එකට
Had.
had a better job. Right. Number 6. The boys agree if you ask them.
The boys would agree.
Yes, very good. The boys would agree if you
Asked.
asked them. Number 7. I not say that to and if I be
I would say.
yes, I would not say that to and if I
Was.
were
Not
you.
say.
I were you. මම ඔයා වුණා නම් ඒක if I were you. වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. Number 8. What you do if you blank within brackets find a lot of money? What? This is a question. On the hand.
What would you do?
Yes, what would you do if you
Found
found a lot of money? Very good. If you found a lot of money. Now let's move to type 3. Complete these sentences with the third conditional. Third conditional එකෙන් තමයි දාන්න ඕන. අර මම past perfect එක කිව්වේ would have එක එන්න කිව්වේ past participle අන්න ඒ type තුන්වෙනි එක කියන්නේ. If you within brackets not watch that horror film horror කියන්නේ භයානක you not be so scared බය වෙන්න තිබුණ නැහැ කොහමද?
Were
If you
had
not watched that horror film ඒ බය හිතන ෆිල්ම් එක බලලා තිබුණේ නැත්නම් you
would have not
you would not have been you would not have been so scared. Number 2. I within brackets tell you about the party if you within brackets ask me. I
would
have told you about the party if you
had asked
asked.
Yes, if you had asked me. Number 3. The club be more popular if it be in the city center. What is the answer? The club
would have
been. The club would have been more popular if it
had
been in the city center. If it had been in the city center. Number 4. If you come with us, you have a good time.
if you had
came කියනවාද verb is past participle with had past perfect. If you had come, if you had come with us, you මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ?
you would
have yes, you would have had a good time. You would have had a good time. Number 5. You meet her if you within brackets leave so early. You
would have
yes, you would have met. Meet කියන්නේ met. You would have met her if you
had
leave කියනවාද past perfect. Had left so early. If you had left so early. Number 6. If they show me the tickets, I blank not believe that they were going to Mexico. If they
had
shown, very good. If they had shown me the tickets, I
Show would have not
I would not have believed. Have not කියලා එන්නේ question form එකට. I would not have believed that they were going to Mexico. Number 7. I
believe would have
Yes, I would have gone to see him. I would have gone to see him if I had
go
go තියෙනවා මෙහි. I would have gone එක කිව්වම to see him if I had time. කාලය තිබුණා නම් තිබිලා තිබුණා නම්. If I had time. තේරුණාද? I would have gone to see him. ඔහුව බලන්න තිබුණා. If I had time. මට වෙලා කාලේ තිබුණා නම්. Right? Number 8. This is the last question. They, within brackets, not miss the last bus if they blank within brackets leave earlier. They
Would not.
yes, they would not have missed. Yes, they would not have missed. They would not have missed the last bus if they
Had lived.
had left earlier. They would not have missed the last bus if they had left earlier. අන්තිම බස් එක මිස් නොවෙන්න තිබුණා. ඒගොල්ලෝ කලින් ඉක්මනින් ගියා නම් ගිහින් තිබුණා නම් both of these incidents were not occurred. මේ සිද්ධි දෙකම වෙලා නැහැ. මේ third එකෙන් කියන්නේ එකක්වත් වෙලා නැහැ. Right? So all of these activities are the activities that I had to discuss under if clause or conditional forms. So do you have any problem? මොන හරි තියනවද ප්‍රශ්න? පුතේ මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියනවද? කොහොමදයි තියෙන්නේ?
No, madam.
Right. Okay.
least
Then
teacher PD
ඔව් පුතේ වණ්ඩ මේ host කරන පුතා මේ හදන්න ඒක දාන්න WhatsApp එකට හරිද? Right. Now I ask you to complete all these activities and bring all these activities when you are coming on the very first day when the schools are started. ඉස්කෝලේ පටන් ගන්න පළවෙනි දවසේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ ඔය ටික complete කරලා මට ගෙනත් පෙන්නන්න. Right? Okay. Then let's stop. Right. Good night.
Good night, madam.
Good night, madam.